The world is your home, Lord, our heart is your home. A heart full of love, Lord, my heart is your home. We are the children, children of Sai. 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 Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Love all, serve all is your call. Love if you can, hurt no one in despair. For you are the Father and we are the children, children of Sai. 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 Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. You have come to guide us all. Sachidananda Avatara. Guide us all, lead us all. Guide us all, lead us all. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. We love you, Father, show us the way. Sachidananda Avatara. We love you, Mother, show us the way. We love you, Mother, show us the way. Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Children of Sai. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमण्यव उतोत इषवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः। यात इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः। शिवा शरव्यायातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छावदामसे यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहेगश्च सर्वाञ्जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयेमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयाति नः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीढुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वप अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुधे निशीर्य शल्याणां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः याते हेतुर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्रयम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय व्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्रीणां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवेताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रुकाविभ्यो जिघागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षद्भ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्र्याय च शेभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरथाय च नमः शूराय चावबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूथिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिणे चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पथ्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्र्याय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नम उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च दूरे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्थ्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः शष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नम इरण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय चाभिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नम आनिर्हतेभ्यो नम आमीवत्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वेराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वेराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधेः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यधा च न शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहक्तृमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेढ्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भवा परमे वृक्ष आयुधन् निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधे सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे अस्मिन्महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेऽनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथ
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथ
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथ
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथ
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
हे शिवनंदन पाहि दयाला
शिवनंदन पाहि दयाला
हे शिवनंदन पाहि दयाला
शिवनंदन पाहि दयाला
पतिपुरीश्वर जगत परिपाला स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथा
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
हे शिवनंदन पाहि दयाळा
हे शिवनंदन पाहि दयाळा
पर्तिपुरीश्वर जगत परिपाला
पर्तिपुरीश्वर जगत परिपाला
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथा नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय
शिवाय नमः शिवाय
नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय
शिवाय नमः शिवाय
सांब सदा शिव नमः शिवाय
साम्ब सदा शिव नमः शिवाय
सांब सदा शिव नमः शिवाय
साम्ब सदा शिव नमः शिवाय
गिरिजा शंकर नमः शिवाय
गिरिजा शंकर नमः शिवाय
गिरिजा शंकर नमः शिवाय
गिरिजा शंकर नमः शिवाय
भवानी शंकर नमः शिवाय
भवानी शंकर नमः शिवाय
भवानी शंकर नमः शिवाय
भवानी शंकर नमः शिवाय
लिंगोद्भव कर साई मनोहर
लिंगोद्भव कर साई मनोहर
लिंगोद्भव कर साई मनोहर
लिंगोद्भव कर साई मनोहर
नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय
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 नमः शिवाय
नमः शिवाय
नमः शिवाय
शिवाय नमः शिवाय
सांब सदा शिव नमः शिवाय
साम्ब सदा
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई। 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 प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ। जीवन के इन अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ। जीवन के अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ। जीवन के अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ। जीवन के इन अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ। साई दीप जलाओ। सत्य 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 साई दीप जलाओ। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ। जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई। जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई। प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ। जीवन के इन अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ। जीवन के इन अंधियारों में साई दीप जलाओ। जलाओ, सत्य साई दीप जलाओ।
साई दीप जलाओ, सत्य साई दीप जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ साई, प्रेम की ज्योत जलाओ।
जीवन ज्योति तुम हो साई। शारदे जय शारदे, वाग्विलासिनी शारदे। 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 शारदे जय शारदे, विद्यादायिनी 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 शारदे। शारदे जय शारदे, वेदमाता 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 शारदे। वेदमाता शारदे। वेदमाता शारदे। वेदमाता शारदे। वेदमाता शारदे। शारदे जय शारदे, वाग्विलासिनी शारदे। शारदे जय शारदे, वाग्विलासिनी शारदे। शारदे जय शारदे, विद्यादायिनी शारदे। शारदे जय शारदे, विद्यादायिनी शारदे। शारदे जय शारदे, वेदमाता शारदे। शारदे जय शारदे, वेदमाता शारदे। वेदमाता शारदे। वेदमाता शारदे। वेदमाता शारदे। वेदमाता शारदे। शारदे जय शारदे, वाग्विलासिनी शारदे। गुरु बाबा, गुरु बाबा, गुरु बाबा, गुरु बाबा, गुरु बाबा, गुरु बाबा। चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा। चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा। चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा। चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा। विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा। विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा। विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा प्रशांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा जय गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा चरण नमोस्तुते गुरु बाबा विद्यादायक गुरु बाबा शांत स्वरूपा गुरु बाबा गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा जय गुरुवर गुरुवर गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा गुरु बाबा
गुरुवायूरपुर श्री हरि कृष्ण नारायण गोपाल
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 मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी 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 नारायण गोपाल
नारायण गोपाल साई 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 नारायण गोपाल
ओ नारायण गोपाल साई नारायण गोपाल
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 गोवर्धन गिरिधारी मुरारी 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 नारायण गोपाल
मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी 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 नारायण गोपाल
गुरुवायूरपुर श्री हरि कृष्ण नारायण गोपाल
गुरुवायूरपुर श्री हरि कृष्ण नारायण गोपाल
मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी नारायण गोपाल
मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी नारायण गोपाल
नारायण गोपाल साई 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 नारायण गोपाल
गोवर्धन नारायण गोपाल मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी नारायण गोपाल गुरुवायूरपुर श्री हरि कृष्णा नारायण गोपाल मुकुंद माधव मुरलीधारी नारायण गोपाल
दीनबंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय दीनबंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला जय पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला जय परतीपुरीशा विठ्ठला जय प्रशांती निलया विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय दीनबंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला जय पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला जय परतीपुरीशा विठ्ठला जय प्रशांती निलया विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय विठ्ठला 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 जय दीनबंधु विठ्ठला जय करुणा सिंधु विठ्ठला जय
Love is my form, truth is my breath, this is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. My life is my message, expansion is my life. My life is my message, expansion is my life. My life is my message, expansion is my life. No season for love, no reason for love, no birth, no death. Prema Satya Ananda, Shanti Satya Ananda. Prema Satya Ananda, Shanti Dharma Ananda. Shirdi Sai Patti Baba Jai Jai. Shirdi Sai Patti Sai Prema Sai Jai Jai. Love is my palm, truth is my bread, peace is my food. Love is my palm, truth is my bread, peace is my food. Love is my palm, truth is my bread, peace is my food. Love is my palm, truth is my bread, bliss is my food.
श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तो सिद्धबोध तो कंठ विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्मवस्त तु योग शक्ति तु यशोदा प्रभु तो रुद्र विष्णु तो राम कृष्ण तो रहे बटाओ तो रहे बटाओ तो वासुदेव गुरु ईश्वरो बधु चिदानंद हरि दो अद्वितीय तो अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तो आत्मलिंग शिव तो आत्मलिंग शिव तो असतो मा सत्यमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया.
Om Shri Sai Ram. In his discourse on the 21st of November 1985, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba gave 10 guiding principles that should govern our lives. Join me in reciting these 10 guiding principles. Number 1. Love and serve your country. Do not be critical of others' countries. 2. Honor and respect all religions as pathways to God. 3. Love all humanity as part of your family. Know that humanity is a single community. 4. Keep your home and surroundings clean. 5. Help the needy with food, clothing, and shelter. Help them become self-reliant. 6. Be examples of honesty. Do not participate in any activity such as bribery or corruption. 7. Curb jealousy, envy, and hatred. 8. Develop self-reliance. Become your own servant before proceeding to serve others. 9. Adore God, abhor sin. 10. Observe your country's laws and be an exemplary citizen. Jai Sai Ram.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Swami and a loving Sai Ram to all our brothers, sisters, respected elders and children tuned in tonight. We pray that with Swami's grace, you and your families are healthy, happy and peaceful. Swami says, everyone seeks to know what benefit one can derive from other individuals or from society. No one asks what good or benefit society derives from them. Start with rendering service to society. Today, due to the influence of the Kali age, two kinds of diseases are seen. One is the insatiable thirst for wealth. In every city, there is a mad rush for making money. Everyone is caught up in this craze for money. No doubt money is necessary, but only up to a limit to meet one's needs. Owing to excessive desire, people lose all sense of proportion. Men turn into demons in the pursuit of wealth. It may be asked whether they at least make good use of their immense wealth. No. Ultimately, the money may fall into the hands of robbers or others. What you get from society, give it back to society. That is the primary value to be cherished by everyone. Divine Discourse, April 7th, 1997. The announcements for this week are as follows. South African Pilgrimage 2026. The Sri Sathya Sai Global Council of South Africa will be undertaking a Parthi Yatra, a sacred pilgrimage to Prashanti Nilayam in 2026 July. The pilgrimage coincides with the July school holiday in South Africa. Please save the date, as planning will commence soon. Gayatri Mantra chanting. We humbly ask all devotees to continue chanting the Gayatri Mantra 3 times a day, and if possible, let us all chant together at 7 p.m. 108 times. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra is one of the most potent forms of seva we can do, as it is selfless and will go to wherever it is needed, unbeknown to us. Prayers for healing. A WhatsApp group has been created to allow devotees to pray for those in need of healing or upliftment. If you have a family member, friend, or know of any person who needs prayer, please contact any of the national devotional coordinators to post the request on this group. Wheelchair Reuse Program. The National Go Green team would like to thank all devotees that have supported the Wheelchair Reuse Program. With Swami's grace, we have now loaned out 96 wheelchairs at no cost to needy recipients. There is still a dire need for wheelchairs, as sadly the demand is becoming greater than our supply. Devotees are encouraged to continue to support this program by donating their second-hand or new wheelchairs, spreading Swami's divine love to those in need. Please do reach out to your regional Go Green champion for more details. The theme for Swami's centenary birthday year in South Africa is Sadhana, the inward path, the journey from I to we to he. Swami said that to get rid of demonic qualities, man has to embark on self-inquiry. Scriptural scholarship is of no avail in this inquiry, and the transformation must take place within. People have to ask themselves how they are using the time that has been given to them. To assist in this spiritual journey, the Sri Satya Sai Global Council of South Africa has launched an online spiritual self-audit tool that may be used to track one's progress on the spiritual path. The tool may be accessed via the link sent out with the national communications. In this evening's video, Dr. Shrikant Sola, a world-renowned cardiologist, completes his series on how to remain in the presence of God. We pray that you have a blessed and peaceful week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
Okay, last part. Let's have a quick recap. So we're talking about turbulence ahead and how we can use this amazing time to zoom forward in our sadhana. In the previous session, we had talked about a homework that we had given. What was the homework? Yes, just to be in the presence of God. Just be in the presence of God. You just recognize the truth, I am silence, right? I'm silence. That silence is my nature. Not the mind, but the silence is my nature. Then you say, God is here, in whatever name you want. And then you just enjoy being in that presence of God. That's all. That just takes like 2 seconds to do. And you can enjoy as long as you want. Okay, so let's hear from you what your experiences were. Let's start with Usha, then we'll go around.
Yeah, I was able to do that, Swami. As I say, I'm silent. I was able to go into silence. But the period of time that I could be with Swami was very brief.
So it was a brief period of time. Very brief period of time.
Then I would not feel the connection.
The monkey mind got active and you lost the connection. Why do you think that happened? So the question was, I'm able to connect, but just for a brief period of time, and then I lose the connection. So you feel it for a little bit, Swami is with you, and then it's gone. Why do you think that happens? Because of your thoughts.
My mind is coming into play.
Can I go deeper than that? Okay, because you don't believe I am silence. You're saying it mentally, but you're not believing it. You're not experiencing, you're not allowing yourself to experience yourself as silence. Yeah? It's not enough if I tell you that your very nature is silence. Your very nature is silence. Atma is pure silence. It's an astounding silence. And once you get a glimpse of that silence, you realize it's like an endless silence. It's so deep, so vast. It's just pure bliss. But you don't believe it. You tell yourself mentally, I am silence, because that's what I told you to do. But you're not accepting it. Yeah? Does that make sense? Yeah? You have to really feel it. No, you have to really believe it. So this goes back to inquiry. Okay. So in the satsang, I learned I am silence. Okay. You step back into Swami and say, Swami, you said that I'm silence. I'm not able to understand this silence. Show me. Got it? That's how you do it. Show me. Good. Okay.
Very few moments where I've seen, at least in the last 1 week, that I have not been very silent. I've not been in that state of silence.
Few moments where you've not been silent, or where you have been silent. Few moments where you have been. Oh, few moments where you have been silent. For a minute, I was like, wow, cool. Okay. Okay. Few moments where you have been silent. Okay.
Where I really just went deep into that state. But otherwise, I always felt there was something else
Yes. So what you said, there's something else that's important. You're getting lost in the mud. Yeah, you're getting lost in the mud. So this is a common thing where sadhakas, spiritual aspirants, will start to practice, and they'll feel some bliss, they'll feel some joy, they'll feel peace, and then something will catch their attention, and then they'll get distracted and go off in some other way. Yeah, this is very common. So you have to look back and see, are those things important? Yeah, there are things you have to take care of. You have to take care of the laundry. You have to cook the food. You have to go to work. You have to take care of your colleagues and your tasks, finish all your work on time. Those things are part of the Maya game. So enjoy them. What happens is you're taking them too seriously instead of enjoying those tasks. And so because you're becoming serious, Swami said, what does Swami say? The moment we become serious, what does he say? Do you remember? The moment you become serious, you are no longer living, you are merely existing. Yeah. So you're getting too serious and getting caught up in those tasks instead of enjoying the task of whatever the work is. Doing laundry, cooking food, going to work, taking care of your meetings, whatever it is. You're getting too serious about it. And then you get stuck in the mud instead of being the lotus. Yes? It's very common. Same theme repeats itself. Swami? Okay, so just to repeat, so she's able to sit with Swami, feel Swami's love. Sometimes the mind wanders, but then you're able to bring it back again. So that's natural, actually. It's natural. The nature of the mind is to wander, right? Just like the nature of fire is to be hot, or the nature of water is to be wet. The nature of the mind is to wander. So what you do is you just train the mind to come back. You know, like how an elephant, you might have seen an elephant in certain places, they tie the leg to a big pole, and then after the elephant gets trained, then they just need to tie it to a small stick, like a stake, and then after some time they don't even tie it, they just put the chain on the leg, and then it stays still because it's so well trained. So what you're doing is just like the mind is like that elephant that wants to wander. And so each time you bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, and then over time it'll stay still. It might go just one step this way, one step that way, but then you will bring it back quietly and it'll sit still. It's just training, that's all. Okay?
One more thing, what you were just told to Swami, as you said, why we are not able to connect with Swami, why we are not able to focus completely on Swami. Standing back, I got to him, wherein I kept my hand like this and Swami was holding my hand. And suddenly he pulled it out. And that's the dream ends. And then I asked Swami in meditation, like, what is the meaning of it? What is it, Swami? And Swami said, your complete attention, love, focus should be on me. If you are not completely focusing or showing your complete thing on me, it's like if I completely sing Swami, completely in Swami, I can able to hold that thing. Otherwise, as you said, distraction, that if sudden distraction, and I will lose the chance of holding.
So you had a dream in which you're holding Swami's hand and you're so happy, and then Swami removes his hand quickly, and when you ask him why, he says because you are not putting your full attention on him. This is the nature of this is how it is. You have to have your full attention on the truth, otherwise you will get distracted. Too many sadhakas I see, they have too many desires, and then they don't make it. They get lost. So when you reduce your desires one by one, slowly, then you will be able to focus more and more on Swami much easily. Yes. Wonderful. So 3 things today. Number 1, what was the first one? You forgot already. Self-inquiry. Inquiry into the self. And ask Swami, show me. Okay? Number 2, stop getting lost in the mud. Forget about what's happening outside. There's nothing outside. Yeah, take care of your duties, play the Maya game. That's part of why we have physical bodies. Enjoy that process. Don't get serious about it. And then number 3, practice this. Be in the presence of God. We've shown you how to do it. So keep practicing. Practice this technique of stepping back into God. Practice this technique of being in the presence of God. If you're finding that you're not able to remain silent, it's probably because you don't believe that you are silence itself. You just have a mental idea that I'm silence, but you don't believe it. So go back, step into God again, and say, Swami, you told me that I'm silence, but I'm not able to understand. Swami, show me. And be persistent. Okay, if you don't get the answer the first time, what does a young child do when it wants something from its parent? It keeps asking, right? So you keep asking. And eventually Swami will say, Chabba, here, and he'll give it to you. So keep asking, Swami, show me, show me, show me. That's what he wants to see. Okay, lots of love to you all.
जय जगदीश हरि स्वामी सत्य साई हरि भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरि शिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपति स्वामी भवन्तु। शान्ति शान्तिः। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि। परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयाश्रयामि।
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।